Hi guys, welcome back again. Join me make this healthy and very nutritious drink. And today we're using a Buchi mix blender to do this. Yes, this is a proper review, guys. Let's see what our Buchi mix can do. Our Odogu blender, what our Odogu blender can do. And guys, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment and share. I'll be listing out the ingredients I used in the description box, so please check the description box. That's my TigerNut, which I already washed, and here I have my dates, also known as debino in the nut, which I soaked, and I'll just be taking out the seed just like this. I'll press it because it's very soft, so it's not hard as it looks. It's very soft, and just take out the seed. And I'll do that off camera. Yeah guys, this is the seed. I'll take it out and do it. I'll just do it off camera. And here I have my clove soaked in neat water. I'll be blending that with my TigerNut. And here I have banana. Banana is optional. If you don't want to add banana to your drink, please just skip. And this is very important, coconut, fresh, very fresh. And here ginger for flavor. Yes, I'm not peeling out the skin because it's also nutritious. And finally we have our ice. Ice is when I'm done blending, I'll use the ice to sieve. So now let's see what our Odogu blender can do. Can our Buchi mix blender blend TigerNut, coconut, ginger and the rest? Let's see. I don't know. Let's just see. So guys, we are done blending. Let's see the magic, guys. Guys, can you see how smooth? Can you see guys? Again and again and again, Buchi mix has won. Like Buchi mix for the win. No, Buchi mix blender is good. No cap on this. So guys, now I added my ice and I'll just stir this and go in with enough water. What I did was to go in with clean water that I can drink. Yes, because this is a healthy drink that I want to consume. And next is to sieve out the chaff. Yeah, I'm going to be using this to just take out the chaff and bring out the juice, just like this on the screen. So guys, we're done sieving and the juice wasn't coming out well from the sieve, so I had to switch to this cloth, and this is the chaff which I'm going to be trashing. And guys, our drink is ready. No sugar, no preservative, very healthy drink. And guys, would you be trying this drink? Would you be trying this TigerNut drink? Very healthy. I will advise you make it yourself and enjoy with your family and friends. So guys, please don't forget to do the good stuffs. Like, comment, share. Bye bye.